What if your backyard could feel like a true outdoor living room, protected from bugs, shaded from the blazing sun, and stylish enough to impress every guest? That dream is absolutely within reach, and today on Egadget, I'm breaking down the Purple Leaf 12x14 foot Patio Hardtop Gazebo, a full aluminum solarium with a double-tier ventilation roof, sliding doors, and PC screen panels. Whether you're thinking about upgrading your patio for summer entertaining, or you want a permanent outdoor space the whole family can enjoy year-round, this gazebo might be exactly what you've been looking for. So let's get into it. I've got the full breakdown on design, build quality, features, what comes in the box, and who this is really built for. Stay with me because this one is worth every second. Right out of the gate, the Purple Leaf Hardtop Gazebo makes a strong first impression. The overall silhouette is clean, modern, and substantial. This is not a flimsy pop-up canopy. At 12 feet wide and 14 feet deep, the footprint gives you serious interior square footage, which means you can fit a full dining set, a conversation lounge, or even a combination of both inside without feeling cramped. The double-tier roof is the design element that really stands out visually. That layered roof structure doesn't just look great, it creates a natural ventilation gap between the two tiers, which keeps air moving through the gazebo even on hot summer days. The color finish and the aluminum frame give it a polished, upscale aesthetic that adapts beautifully to different backyard styles, from modern minimalist patios to more traditional garden settings. This is a gazebo that genuinely elevates the look of your outdoor space from day one. Now let's talk about what this gazebo is actually made of, because build quality is where a lot of outdoor structures either earn your trust or let you down. The frame uses 4 durable aluminum posts, and aluminum is the right call here. It's lightweight enough to work with during assembly, but far more important, it is completely rust resistant. You're not going to see this frame corroding or weakening after a couple of rainy seasons. The roof is made from powder-coated galvanized steel, which takes durability a step further. Galvanized steel is built to take a beating from the elements, and the powder coat finish adds an additional layer of protection against rust while locking in that clean visual appearance long term. The ventilation double roof design also means it can handle heavy rain and is rated to withstand strong wind and snow loads, so this is genuinely a 4-season structure. The PC screen wall panels deserve a special mention as well. Polycarbonate screens are significantly stronger than fabric curtain panels. They resist wind and rain far better, they hold their shape, and they provide a level of privacy and bug protection that traditional curtains simply can't match. This is a gazebo built to last years, not just a single season. Let's go through the standout features one by one because there's a lot packed into this structure. The front and back walls each come fitted with double sliding doors, and the convenience of that design is genuinely underrated. Whether you're carrying food out for a cookout, moving furniture around, or just stepping in and out casually, sliding doors make the whole experience effortless. Now, one important installation note, the sliding doors can only be installed on the 14-foot sides of the structure, so keep that in mind when you're planning your backyard layout and deciding which direction your gazebo will face. The oversized windows are another highlight. They're not just decorative. These windows allow serious cross ventilation, pull in natural light to keep the interior bright and airy, and give you excellent sightlines to your garden or yard. When you want privacy, the PC panels close the space off completely. The bug protection factor is real. The screen panels keep insects out, which is a game changer if you want to actually enjoy evening time outdoors without constantly swatting things away. What's included in the package is also comprehensive. You get side curtains and panels, foundation materials, screens, anchor and mounting materials, and window components. Essentially everything you need for a complete setup. So who is the Purple Leaf Hardtop Gazebo really built for? Honestly, it fits a pretty wide range of buyers. If you're a homeowner who loves to entertain outdoors, backyard barbecues, family dinners, weekend hangouts, the large interior and the double sliding doors make this the perfect hosting setup. If you have kids and want a shaded, protected outdoor play area, this works incredibly well for that too. For the outdoor fitness crowd, this is a great covered space for a yoga setup, a stretching area, or even a home gym extension. And if you're someone who works from home and wants a serene outdoor office or reading nook that's sheltered from sun and bugs, this gazebo handles that perfectly. The Solarium style design with the PC screen walls genuinely transforms the space into something that feels semi-enclosed, more like an outdoor room than just a canopy. In terms of value, when you stack up the aluminum frame, galvanized steel double roof, polycarbonate screen panels, and sliding door system against alternatives in this category, the Purple Leaf is a competitive package that delivers on both quality and versatility. Alright, so here's the final verdict on the Purple Leaf 12x14 Patio Hardtop Gazebo. If you're serious about upgrading your outdoor living space with a structure that looks premium, holds up against real weather conditions, and gives you genuine usability all year round, this is one of the strongest options in its class. The rust-resistant aluminum frame, the galvanized steel ventilation roof, the polycarbonate screen walls, and the sliding door system all work together to deliver a backyard upgrade that's worth the investment. It's functional, it's durable, and it looks great. That's the triple win you want when you're making this kind of outdoor purchase. If you found this review helpful, go ahead and smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Egadget so you never miss our latest product breakdowns. Drop your questions or your own experience with outdoor gazebos down in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.